In that order.
Okay, my name is Jory Lyle.
Hey, pirate.
I'm glad to be here.
Can you hear stuff?
Yes.
Alright. Is it loud enough, you think?
Yeah, go for it.
You sure?
Nail it.
Well, I believe in something wrong. So I was told just the other day. This man on the street falls down to his knees, quotes a passage from a book I just read. To the people who pray, to the gods who own me, and the media is something to say. For the people who sin and the money they give to a cause and a right to be saved. Sail behind me. Well, we're going today to a park or parade or fight between the young and the brave. Was it something I said? Maybe something you did. But what reason for us both to be dead? To the free and the slave and the fat with no legs, raise a toast to a brand new sympathy. To our neighbors and friends and the country we defend. To our lows and to the money we've made. Lying down a road in town, it screams so loud to just be free. Young couple, so much more they have left. They make a wrong turn by a simple mistake. And there's a bullet to kill in the hands of your children. There's a caller from a voice we now hate. While you're trying so hard, your intentions too late. Go write a letter to the president. Hey folks, how are you? Hello.
That was a beautiful sunset.
It was a nice sunset. That was awesome. Thank you guys.
Music was good too. Cowbell. Yeah, with the arms. Do it.
The giggling women, the giggling gaggle of women isn't enough noise.
Perfect.
Just don't fall on my guitar or anything weird.
Just whatever you do, don't lose the